ho there.
Pete and Allie from Two Tiny Wings here. It is the afternoon of our very first day of our December 2019 trip. We are going to kick things off with the Haunted Mansion, then probably bum around Tomorrowland for a little bit, maybe hit some Adventureland stuff, and then we want to do the monorail resorts and see what is around for the holidays.
Yes,
so
we're excited to see some of those Christmas decorations, so come along with us.
I am your host, your ghost. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
the forgotten heroes of the holiday season at Disney, the sign holders. Splitting up the way between Peter Pan and Small World, avoiding chaos. Warriors. So we're heading over to Tomorrowland Speedway. Last time Aidan didn't do so well. Last time Mary didn't do so well.
I did amazing.
No, you did not.
Get out of here.
So let's see how much, if any, their skills have improved. And while I'm thinking about it, so I better do good. They're still fighting.
Ready, buddy? Ready? Off we go! Woo-hoo-hoo! It's all the way to the floor, buddy. You better start steering now.
I am. I do. I don't even need.
Oh, here we go. Oh, glad to see nothing has changed.
No.
Oh.
I'm trying.
You're inadequate.
I'm trying.
Oh.
There's a magic
Oh,
bait.
was it? Ah! Watch the road! No, oh, come on!
Whee! Whee!
Now you're doing it on purpose. Oh, 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 oh. Two hands on. Oh!
I have two hands on the wheel.
I'm saying two hands on the camera because
Oh.
it's gonna fly off.
Here we go.
Yeah, because it's straight. Oh, and it's perfectly straight.
You can't do it.
You are never doing this again.
Yes, I am. I'm doing it every time.
Back and forth. Are you even remotely trying to
Yes,
see this? Are
I
you
am.
sure?
I am. I am on.
No! Put your hands on the. Put your hands on the wheel.
I think this went well.
All right, Mo. How did you do?
I only hit the railing once.
I hit the railing 0 times.
Wrong. You hit the what? 0 times like before we left the station. Wrong.
I have the guide rail.
Yeah, when it's really wide.
It went better.
I heard halfway through, as we were coming up the turn towards where you can see Tron, all of a sudden I just hear Dad go, Aidan!
Looks like maybe clouds are coming in, so I think what we're going to try to do is maybe get some pictures back towards Main Street, since we didn't get as many of those when we were here in November. Then we're going to hop on the monorail, check out the different monorail resorts and the gingerbread houses and all the decorations and all that fun stuff. Well, look at that. You've got Mickey's Scrooge and Mickey's Christmas Carol. You did. You read Christmas Carol. Yes. So we are going to head out onto the resort monorail. Yeah, yes, we will be real soon.
Oh, yeah.
Ho ho ho. After averting near disaster of me leading us onto the express monorail, we are now heading on to. Now, I'll take ownership of that.
Oh, I thought you said.
On to the resort monorail we go. Oh, resort monorail black, which we may or may not get to.
Probably.
Nah, we're not gonna. Oh, it's like, nah, it's already loaded up anyway, so. off we go. We are going to try the walkway. The walkway to the Contemporary, since it's not raining yet. We can hopefully stay dry. Let's see how this goes. This might end nicely or wet disaster.
When it does, I will make sure to put in a cut of me. Let's walk.
It's got to be one of those like slow-mo, like, why don't we walk to the, in like black and white, with like, followed by us all furtively looking at you, soaking wet.
No, running. It won't be furtively, we'll be running.
So if that happens, the transition for that will happen now. We are trying to answer a question, which is, who has the better gingerbread? The Grand Floridian or the Contemporary? And we're gonna try to not get by car. So we're gonna try the Contemporary first. We know they have a gingerbread house at that resort, so we're gonna check that out. And then we may try to swing by the Polynesian, but then we wanna end up at the Grand Floridian and check out not only the gingerbread house, but it's also a store that they sell gingerbread in, and you can get hopefully some free samples.
Bunch of 4 tourists from Pennsylvania all stopping and staring and taking pictures and footage of the monorail. I got
it's a monorail, look, there it is. Woo!
Follow us on Instagram to see our cool pictures.
I don't have any idea where we should be going.
I feel so weak.
I see some escalators, and I know we need to go up because we were on the ground floor. So we're gonna try there. And let's see. Oh wait. Oh, he's getting water. We're going now. He was getting complimentary water.
Of course he was. He wants to feel fancy.
Fancy. I think this is the 4th floor. So this is the Contemporary's Gingerbread Castle. And if you look, there's little hidden Mickeys all around. Let's see if I can zoom in on one. So you can see that's just one of the hidden Mickeys that's sort of hidden all around the castle.
Here's all the options that you can get. You can get a shingle, gingerbread boy, different cookies. I think we're gonna go for the gingerbread boy.
We have boy number 1. So we're gonna go to the Poly to see what kind of Christmas decor they have there. There isn't actually a lot here. So, and then we'll head over to Grand Floridian to get boy number 2.
We have arrived here at the Polynesian. Oh, it smells very nice. Oh, and here we go. Oh, cool. So they've got gingerbread house competition from the culinary cast members at the Disney Polynesian Resort. So we've got, looks like Lilo and Stitch. And look at that one. Look at the all. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Look at all the work on that.
No, it's a bunch of it's all the different
Oh, yeah.
That's Elsa on the song. Yeah, Elsa. Mulan.
Oh, yeah.
Ariel. Moana.
Like the color, yeah, it's like the color schemes of all of them.
Yeah. And then
That one is really cool. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
That is
I bet
really
that's like a really thick icing too.
Yeah. Very Polynesian-y theme.
What'd you get, Dad?
I got my Star Wars stainless steel insulated mug. It's refillable. They only are selling them here at the Polynesian. I'm so excited.
Currently.
I love it. Yes, I love it. New coffee mug.
Christmas music. This is beautiful. Oh, like Polynesian Christmas music. Yeah, this is why you want to stay here.
Can we go in the sand?
Yeah.
Okay, this is why you want to stay. Okay, I just figured out why. All right, I just figured out why you want to stay here. We walked out onto the little walkway after getting the mug, and the guy's like, "Hello, aloha," and he starts singing his little Polynesian music on his little like ukulele, and it's like, all right, this is you can just kind of live here, couldn't you?
And if you do a 180,
And then you got the Polynesian.
Yeah.
And oh yeah, there's the
There's
castle over there.
Right,
castle.
And if you
sit here,
if you
during
sit here, you're
happily
gonna
ever
watch the
after.
fireworks. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I
Cool.
see you.
All right, so we're gonna walk. We're taking the walking path over to the Grand Floridian because the monorail line is all backed up. So off we go. Oh,
Sand.
I am more happy with a new coffee mug than a grown man should be.
We are passing the DVC portion of the Grand Floridian. This is very, very peaceful.
Oh, those people have a Christmas tree.
Oh, like full on.
Yep.
So here we are at the Grand Floridian. Ooh, it has a different kind of smell. And here is their gingerbread house.
This is man number 2, and I was thinking, are they really going to be different? They are.
They are different.
Oh wait, is this one soft too?
Yeah? Okay. We have both gingerbread boys. We are going to head on up to the Gasparilla Grill. We are going to get our dinner, and then we'll pick us back up for the ultimate gingerbread man taste test. Back at the resort, it is still raining. The pool is empty. Can't believe it.
No, there's someone.
Oh,
No, there's someone.
the pool is almost empty. So we have been assigned a room in the 60s building. We are very excited because it should be a pretty short walk to the Skyliner, which we are going to test in the morning. So jump.
In the morning?
Potentially, but probably not. At some point we will use it.
Is this the 60s?
Yeah. So, 60s building. We got a Christmas tree! We did. Merry Christmas, children. So this looks a lot like the All-Star Movies room, except the bathroom. Let's take a look at this bathroom. You got a bunch of different storage options. So they moved that into the bathroom. That's a difference. And then there's more storage here, storage all down through here. I like that sink. Hello. Still your standard shower. You have the H2O products. Shower, toilet, towels, and let's go back to the room. Pete,
Hello.
you have TV, and then storage down here.
This is.
And then you also have the little cooler, shelves,
storage.
window, and then this is during the day a table. And then dun dun dun. So it pulls down to a little Murphy bed.
Oh, this one's more fluffy.
Oh, good. A fluffier Murphy
sorry.
bed than the ones that they had at movies. So there you go. Here are the contestants. On the left, we have the gingerbread man from the Contemporary. On the right, we have the gingerbread man from the Grand Floridian.
I will say, I like that the contemporary one has a little sticker.
Yes, Contemporary has a little sticker. They were both the same price. They were both $6.25.
This is more detail.
Yep.
But this it looks like it's more.
This one looks like more homemade because it's got like the little thing.
We have tasted both. I think the first impression of the Contemporary is that he's very, very chewy.
Here, let me show you.
Yeah.
When Allie went to get her first bite, this is what she did. And it pulls apart like taffy.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a fruit roll-up kind of quality thing going on. The
Cookie should be
Grand Floridian one, I mean, you can see how like that is super, super cakey going on there.
I bet they made it with cake flour.
Yeah, and crumbly. So, all right, Aidan, what is your vote?
Grand Floridian.
Mary.
I like neither, but I'd eat the Grand Floridian if I had to.
Contemporary, because I actually don't mind the chewy texture.
You are a monster.
It's entertaining.
It's entertaining.
It all comes down to it.
I look for many things in my cookies. I don't know that entertainment is one of them. I'm also going with the Grand Floridian. It has more of a ginger taste. So, Grand Floridian, I would probably get again. I wouldn't get that Contemporary one again. It's been a very, very long day. It's been a very, very exciting day. Now we are going to decorate our room a little bit for the holidays. And so we are going to bring this first day to a close. We will show you what we end up doing with our room tomorrow. Tomorrow on tap, we are gonna go do our best to ride Rise of the Resistance. So fingers crossed for that. It's going to rain. It's going to rain.
Saddle up.
Here we go. So definitely subscribe so you can see us slogging our way through Hollywood Studios. Like this video. Comment if you have tried either of these gingerbread cookies and what you think about them. And with that,
We invite you to set your imaginations free.
Bye-bye.